Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're cheeky. You want down? You want down? I'll lift you down. You gonna do it your way? I think Stefan wants you for his lunch. Inquisitive little thing. Ginger. Ginger. She cheers me up, Ginger does. But she's very naughty because she's been going around the front and it's very dangerous because it's near the road, Ginger. It's near the road, Ginger. What's this? What's this, Ginger? Is it too scary? Ginger. Oh, it's too scary, Ginger. Oh, it's too scary, Ginger. Come again, Ginger. What's this, Ginger? Cheeky. Cheeky. You're very cute. Come on. Come and play. Come and play. No way. Ginger. Ginger. Oh, Ginger.